Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we have with us the silk white edition of the OnePlus 6. This is a limited edition that OnePlus did announce when it announced the phone. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage and is priced at 39,999 rupees and is available, as we said, it's a limited edition, so limited stocks. This is of course another limited edition in addition to the Marvel Avengers edition of the OnePlus 6 that we have seen, apart from the two black editions of the phone, which are the regular ones. Wow, so many different editions of this one. However, this isn't the first time that OnePlus has had a white edition of a phone. This is the OnePlus 5T. This was the Star Wars limited edition and it had kind of a textured back. We really like this white one, but what we think of the new white OnePlus 6 is what we're about to tell you. The first thing that you will notice is that the silk white back isn't a fingerprint magnet. All the other variants of the OnePlus 6 are fingerprint magnets, and the fact that the silk white isn't is a great thing. The smartphone still has a glass back, but it looks pearl white with a matte finish. The white back is a lot different from the one that we saw on the Star Wars limited edition OnePlus 5T. The white Star Wars edition 5T had a slightly textured back, but in the case of the silk white OnePlus 6, it is smooth as glass. The phone also has a rose gold frame. Some of you may like it, but I'm not a fan of the rose gold frame. Like the Star Wars OnePlus 5T, I wish that the frame was white with a hint of silver. The power button, alert slider, volume rocker and SIM tray are all rose gold. The metal ring around the camera and the fingerprint sensor along with the OnePlus logo are all rose gold. Overall, the silk white edition of the OnePlus 6 is a good looking phone. The rose gold accents may not appeal to all, but the phone will definitely stand out from the crowd. So there you have it guys, this was the limited edition silk white OnePlus 6. Do you like the phone? Are you planning to pick it up? You can always let us know in the comment section below. Do you like my Doctor Strange look? You can also tell me about that in the comment section below. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now, and of course you can subscribe to our channel, and my producer sitting on the right gave me a very dirty look on the whole.
Doctor Strange.
Okay, bye.